Hello, and welcome to Error Genie. Is DeltaForce refusing to launch, showing black screens, or crashing on your PC? Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest and easiest fixes to get your game running smoothly again. Let's dive right in. Fix 1. Run the game as an administrator. Locate the DeltaForce.exe file on your PC. If you're using Steam, find it in the game's installation folder. Run as administrator, right-click on the .exe file and select Run as administrator. Try launching the game. Set administrator privileges permanently. If the game launches successfully, do the following. Right-click the .exe file again and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box for Run this program as an administrator and click Apply. Fix 2. Update your graphics drivers. For NVIDIA users, open GeForce Experience, go to the Drivers tab, and check for updates. For AMD users, open AMD Adrenalin software, navigate to the Drivers and Software section, and update your drivers. Restart your PC after updating the drivers and try launching DeltaForce again. Fix 3. Verify game files, Steam. Open Steam and go to your library. Right-click on DeltaForce and select Properties. Navigate to the Installed Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will automatically repair any corrupted or missing files. Fix 4. Turn off overlays, disable Steam. Overlay. In Steam, go to Settings, then In-Game, and uncheck Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Disable Discord overlay. Open Discord, go to User Settings, then Game Overlay, and toggle off the overlay. Close any unnecessary background apps that might conflict with the game. Fix 5. Adjust compatibility settings. Right-click the DeltaForce.exe file and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Try running the game in compatibility mode. Check Run this program in compatibility mode for and select an older version of Windows, e.g. Windows 8. Follow these steps, and one of them should fix your DeltaForce launch issues. If this guide helped you, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Error Genie, and hit the notification bell for more step-by-step solutions to your gaming problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.